This is me getting ready to package my first book that I've signed for a student of mine who purchased the book through me. And this book is hefty. This book is 478 pages of glory, and I'm so happy to ship this off to her. Now, let's get this box situation together. I got black boxes because I love the color of black, and it's awesome, and it also makes my book stand out. And I'm signing the book, sending her a lovely message. Yes. Great. I'm excited now for the wrapping. The picture paper is black as well. Love it. Love it. And look at it in the box. It's so cute. Now I need to add some stickers. So here I have stickers. Ooh, they're inside the box as well. And I'm also going to be adding dividers that I didn't put in here, but dividers were added to the package and also a thank you note in black and white. Your order made my day, and I hope this order makes yours. I love that saying. Then I also have my card field information in the back where you can schedule a free 45-minute session if you like to. So these are for people who have this order the book. And look at the box, it's so cute. I love it. Now for another part of mine is the favorite is the sticker. I wouldn't even sticker the tape. Yes, it's so cute. I saw it on Amazon and this was amazing. Look at this package. Look how it looks. It's ready for shipment.